Dear student, today world is suffering from pandemic situation. Almost whole world is locked down. Everyone is in quarantine situation due to COVID-19 broke out. Everything is locked down. Preparing for highly competitive like NEET UG is a challenging task as NEET UG is the only gateway for admission in MBBS, BDS, BMS, BUMS, BHMS. The competition for this exam is high, therefore utmost dedication is necessary if you want to crack the exam with a good rank. The National Testing Agency (NTA) has scheduled the NEET exam on 26 July 2020. Till then, aspirants can go through the most important topics and prepare for the exam. On the behalf of NEET's Pharma classes, that is Chemistry ki Pathsala, I would like to review the points or the tips and tricks to crack NEET exam in the times of lockdown period. So, the first set your timetable. Under this, when it comes to the preparation of NEET 2020, it is very important to set a target. Firstly, figure out how many days do you have for NEET preparation and then plan your target accordingly. We already have NEET 60 days preparation strategy, and with lockdown you can use the same and start your preparation. It is better to divide your time equally in 3 sessions. For example, morning biology, afternoon in physics, and evening in chemistry. Now the second tips is concentrate on critical topics and weaker areas. So in this, analyze your NEET preparation by watch over your weaker areas or concept. The lockdown can help the NEET aspirants to focus on critical topics and concepts as they demand more time. Utilize the time to focus on critical concept and fill in the learning gaps. Taking into account the previous year exam analysis and experts' advice, we have come up with subject-wise important topics for NEET preparation. Organic chemistry is extremely vast and difficult. Must cover all the topic in this period of time. The concept you skip must go through them. Now the next is third is practice mock test. Practice as much as possible. You have many online platforms, join them, practice mock test and analyze your mistakes. Give a mock test and practice. Need previous years as many as possible. Try to practice more MCQs. Next, fourth is use online sources of information. The most important, join online platform and gain maximum knowledge. Student can assess NEET preparation, video from the various websites. They have video lectures on NEET, online test series for NEET. The fifth is NCERT books. The most important, NEET exam expert and toppers from around the country have always advised the aspirants to know the NCERT books thoroughly. The key to crack UG level exams such as G Mains, NEET UG is to first know the NCERT and then move to other books, sample papers, online videos, etc. Therefore, lockdown can be helpful to revisit NCERT books and score a good rank in NEET UG. Now the next point, familiar with the NEET exam pattern. One of the most important factor for all NEET aspirants while revising is to be familiar with what paper is going to be. So be level-headed and read the instruction of the NEET exam pattern carefully. Attempt the questions you are sure about first and then weakest subjects, questions in between. This will make you feel better and will boost your confidence. Now 7, stay connected. Social networking plays very vital role in our daily routine life. Use social network to stay connected. Mobile applications, messenger like WhatsApp, which will be helpful for both teachers and students to stay connected and to share all the relevant updates and clear doubts. Through social networking, you can share notes, exam guidelines, tips, important topics, and so on. Talking to each other will also help you stay motivated. So the most important point, keep yourself healthy. Student, do some form of exercise or yoga, listen to music and play with your friends. Psychiatrist has warned the world that mental health of the people will suffer Along with lockdown, NEET aspirants have a burden of preparation which leads to more risk to their mental health. Therefore, it is crucial for applicant to add some relaxation time in the preparation timetable during lockdown. Okay, parents or guardians should also take care whether a candidate is getting proper rest and living a healthy lifestyle in this hard time. So finally, I would like to say all of you that the lockdown must be used for NEET preparation and revision and score high rank. Stay at home and stay safe. All the best, dear student. Thank you.